What's good, legends? Welcome back to Uncensored Reviews, where I rip apart the hype, expose the truth, and tell you straight up if this is worth your money. Today we're putting Apple's little flex toys under the microscope. The AirPods Pro 2. Yeah, those shiny white earbuds that everyone and their grandma flexes at Starbucks like it's a status badge. But are they really that good? Or just another overpriced Apple tax? Let's find out. Design and comfort. Apple didn't reinvent the wheel here. They polished it. The case is smaller, has a damn speaker so you can ping it if you lose it. Finally, Apple did something useful. The buds feel comfy, lightweight, and you can wear them for hours without feeling like you're jamming Lego pieces into your ears. But here's the catch. They're still glossy, still easy to scratch, and still scream, "Please rob me," when you walk through a subway. Noise cancellation, ANC. I'll give Apple this. The ANC on the AirPods Pro 2 slaps. Planes, buses, chatty coworkers, gone. Transparency mode, freakishly natural, like you're not even wearing them. Apple nailed that balance, but the ANC crown? Sorry fanboys, that belongs to the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Earbuds. Bose still does it better, cleaner, deeper. Apple's close. But Bose lives rent-free at the top when it comes to silencing the world. Sound quality. This is where Apple improved. Bass is tighter, mids are clean, highs don't pierce your skull. Spatial audio is still a bit gimmicky. Cool in movies, kinda weird in music. If you're on Apple Music with lossless, yeah, they flex hard. Battery life, 6 hours in the buds, around 30 with the case. Plus, the MagSafe and Apple ecosystem integration is slick AF. Pop open the case, boom. Instant flex on your iPhone screen. But if you're on Android, LMAO. Why are you even buying these? Half the magic dies outside Apple's walled garden. So should you buy these? If you're knee-deep in the Apple cult, iPhone, MacBook, Apple Watch, then hell yes. The AirPods Pro 2 are your endgame. Seamless switching, killer ANC, great comfort, good sound. They're the best AirPods ever made. But if you want better sound and the best ANC on the market without caring about Apple's ecosystem, the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Earbuds will eat these for breakfast. AirPods Pro 2, Bose QuietComfort. The AirPods Pro 2 are dope, but not untouchable. If you're in the Apple bubble, buy them. If you're chasing pure sound and silence, Bose is the king. If this uncensored truth helped, smash that like, drop a comment if you've ever lost your AirPods in your own couch, and subscribe because I'll keep roasting overpriced tech until Apple drops AirPods Pro 5 for $500. Stay loud, stay raw, peace the out.